We finally reached the end of the yellow brick road in the AFC, gentlemen. Patriots, Steelers, AFC title game from Gillette Stadium. It calls for one more time, Wes. A little game. Who do you trust?
Have you heard that Le'Veon Bell is patient?
What?
Very patient. I've heard that.
I trust him.
I'm about to
Wait,
go
is that how the
public
game
with that.
goes? No.
So patient that he's going to star in our Who Do You Trust segment.
Okay.
He's on one of the hottest streaks we've ever seen by a running back, averaging 180 yards from scrimmage over the past 2 months. On the other hand, the Patriots have not allowed a 90-yard rusher, 90 yards or above, in 24 games. Who do you trust? Which streak will end?
I trust the Patriots defense. I think they're going to do everything possible to take Le'Veon Bell away. Doesn't mean he's not going to be a factor. Maybe he gets over 90 yards, but if I have to pick one of them, he might be a bigger deal in the receiving game. I think they're going to try to let Antonio Brown and Ben Roethlisberger enforce some mistakes, make them work the ball down the field. Take away Bell.
Well, I'll go against you just for the heck of it. I trust Le'Veon Bell. I mean, yes, they have not, that streak exists. They did that to Le'Veon Bell the first time around, but Le'Veon Bell was not unleashed to the degree he is now back when they played each other the first time, and they haven't played a back like Le'Veon Bell. So I think that Le'Veon Bell is going to get it done.
I mean, Greg, how can you go against Le'Veon Bell? The Patriots.
Well, his streak is that is an exceptional game. So it's a little easier to hold a running back under 90 rushing yards than for Bell to get that many yards.
It's 100 is the number you said?
90 or more.
Oh,
Okay,
I thought
he's
you were saying he had
100
to stay at his average.
He's averaging almost 170.
Right.
So you are now trusting Le'Veon Bell is what you're saying. Because the Patriots might have a nice defense, but they don't have a defense to stop Lev Bell because I don't think anybody has a defense to stop Lev Bell. He's a special player playing at a very elite level right now.
And by the way, the Pittsburgh offensive line is operating at an elite level right now. So I like the matchup for Pittsburgh. I think they're going to get their yardage. I don't know if they're going to take the game, but come on.
But is Joe Flacco elite? We'll start with you. No. That's the answer. We all trust Lev Bell.
Sure.
As impressive as this streak is for the Patriots, it exists in large part because they have played some shoddy offenses for the past 2 months.
And they're up by 21 points at halftime half the time.
That's a part of it. It's going to be a different story potentially in Foxborough with a loaded Steelers offense. Check out the Around the NFL podcast 3 times a week, including our Sunday flagship program where we'll talk about this game and the other one.